Alright guys, so welcome to the De La Bueno channel as always. Thank you for clicking on the video. But today we're actually at Abel's shop. You know, I'm always here when I gotta get something done to the trucks. But today is the Lightning's lucky day. We're gonna get the Lightning tinted. I know a lot of y'all like watching the Lightning videos, and well, yeah, here it is. We're gonna get the truck tinted today. I don't know if I'm gonna do the windshield because, you know, it's kind of iffy. You know, we can't be getting stopped around here, but we're gonna get all the windows around done, and I might do the windshield a little bit later, but we'll get it on. But here I am with Adrian, as always. Follow me and let's show y'all the process.
Seven? Damn, that shit thick.
Got thick clear?
7. Yeah, then it's then yeah, right.
Alright. You said what? Huh?
Where your red bottoms at?
Alright guys, so right here we're at Abel's shop. About to get down on the tint, windshield, and everything. Finna go extra dark. I want it darker than the baby country, so. But yeah, guys, it looks good under the good light. Makes it look like the truck is freshly painted. But here we are with Adrian. What you gotta say, Adrian?
I want to buff it.
You wanna buff it? Go ahead, bro. And then here we are with the master Abel. Searching a porn or something like that?
He can't fuck up his windows.
Yep, but it really needed it. Could see everything in there. Like, I'd be in traffic and people would notice that I wouldn't have a haircut or nothing.
Boy.
Yeah, my big head. They'll notice I wouldn't have a haircut, so it needs it. This is with all the windows up, actually, so it looks funny.
Smoking dead ops right now.
Hey nigga, I wanna know if you ready to do this shit.
You know what up?
I do this shit for the game. Better not mention my name. Hop out that foreign and aim. Don't give a fuck about your stain. But what you bang. 23 gang, renegade gang. Hop out bar day, run down the spray. Don't get your ass shot on the south of the A. I'm clutching my stick while I'm serving EJ. Nigga run up on me, he get shot in the face. Slide on your block and hop out with them drakes. Run in your spot, bitch, take me to the safe. If it ain't by no guac, get the fuck out my face. Get the fuck out my line, why you wasting my time? Run down with that iron and put one in his spine. For real, nigga try me, then that fuck nigga dying. These niggas ain't game while they checking down 9. Late night at broad day, yeah, my young nigga slime. How the fuck you street nigga, but never outside. Draw down with that stick and ain't right for his eye. Got your bitch in the spot and she wrapping up pie. She bagging her zips. Bitch, cause her legs, you know I just want your lips. I'm in the back, on the back, on the stick. That's hating ass nigga, the fuck on my dick. I do this shit for the game. Better not mention my name. Hop out that foreign and aim. Don't give a fuck about your stain. Fuck what you bang, nigga. 23 gang, renegade gang. Hop out bar day, run down the spray. Don't get your ass shot on the south of the A. I'm clutching my stick while I'm serving EJs. On gang, on gang, on gang.
You ready to do this shit or what, motherfucker?
So this is the shit
Don't
my
be
boy
acting like
uses the
no pussy.
machine.
Fuck out.
Prints it out right here. That shit's like magic. It just cuts it out, man. After that, my boy Abel gets down on gluing it and he just slaps it on, right, Abel? What is that, man? What is that?
Got 10 already.
It's already had 10?
Got 10 already. I told you we took it off.
And that blade look kind of sharp, man.
Yes. These guys want to clean their windows, yo. Found some pubic hair.
Pubic hair?
Oh, you don't love with that, dude. Marry him already.
Alright guys, so this is how this side is looking. Just for y'all guys can get like a little comparison. Really see everything. You can see how dirty my interior is. Windshield is still not tinted either. That's how clear it is. That's how it's gonna look. Hell yeah. What was that? Alright, let's go. So this is the wrap colors, right, Adrian?
Yes.
Well, I don't know, guys. I've been thinking about actually wrapping it or either painting the truck. There's a little bit of the samples that you got.
Colors here.
Boy saying fuckboy colors. I like that right there. That's pretty clean.
Yeah, I like this.
Candy blue, cloudy blue.
I like that. This fuckboy. I kind of nice.
Some nice colors right there. Ooh, I like that one right there.
Yeah, it's hard. More darker
How many
reds.
tones of red is there? Damn.
Fucking dope.
It's pretty alright.
Imagine the fucking thing of this color.
Yeah, right, the G.
Chrome.
Ooh. See me in that bitch. No, that's hard.
Yeah. Look at this. This shit got texture to it too.
Gangster.
These got texture to it. These are all.
Little tint colors. I don't know, guys. I've been thinking about doing like a Mr. Chrome or something like that, something different. But I don't know. It's either that or just painting the truck. But we'll see what's up. Wrap it? Wrap it? Crazy. Damn, look how the window's looking. Sheesh. Yeah, that's the difference on this side, guys. I've been needing it, man. Shit, I drive the truck daily. As y'all know, this is my daily. The sun just be beaming through the windows, goddamn. My whole back, you can see who's driving. You can see when I don't got a haircut or nothing, man. You can see when I'm looking ugly and everything. But yeah, let me get this ball and let me do Adrian's ass in basketball real quick. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm getting the lining tinted. Right now we're just taking a little break. We're chilling in the chill room as always. Gonna take a little nap. Fun to see, you know, what we got going on today. Today is a little party. Yesterday was my graduation, so you know what I'm saying, I might do a little party. I don't know if I'm gonna add some clips in here. If I do, I do, but if I don't, I'm sorry. But yeah, guys, I went for 5% all around the truck, back window and 2 passenger side window. Yeah. Here we are chilling, so let the video continue.
Hold on, let me see. You got a spray. You got it. Okay. Hey, but it's like going down. Yo.
It's cold, like your butt cheeks.
That shit don't stick to it.
You gotta make sure not to roll your windows down.
When you driving.
No, 3, boy.
Just in case he forgets, bro. Got it right here, right in front.
Yeah, right. But yeah, guys, that's how we doing. This is how we looking. Got the side, got the back. Fortunately, we couldn't do the windshield. We'll come back after I get the little mirror thing and the headliner situated. But shit, as always, thank you, Abel.
Shout out April 10th.
Yeah, let them know where you at. Let them know where you at.
2188.
Why you get a camera shot, bro? Why you get a camera?
Shout out Cruise Detail, you know where we at. We over here at Scenic Highway, 2188, you know.
On the north side of Georgia,
North
right?
side, kind of north side. We here.
Yeah. But yeah, that's how we looking. Finna ride out. Where we at, cuz? Where we at, cuz?
We closed down the whole red side.
I want to hear it goes out. Where we at? We at up on this side.
God, that boy.
Where we taking that, nigga? Out of the God.
Los vecinos de ustedes. Para ahí traemos una canción que dice, también que cantar. Tragos amargos para que vámonos, eso, hijos, su chingada madre para que Fierro. Y como son de
Hell yeah, we posting up, boy. We're going to Chiquititas real quick. You see where we at? Just chilling on the hood, man. You know what I'm saying? Can't appreciate everybody that come out and support. You know what I'm saying? We went over there to the Grupo and shit. But it's some of the trucks that came out. All right, guys. So right now, we're behind my brother's truck right now, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but hopefully you can see it. But this is the end of the vlog, guys. As always, you saw Lightning get tinted and, well, a little clips of what we did today. And as always, guys, thank you for clicking on the video. And please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.